Hello gorgeous, I still can't believe it's already fall. 2025 has really gone by so fast. Anyway, speaking of fall, it's time to do one of my favorite things, which is upgrading or let's say resetting my dining table decor. So I'm taking off the table runner, table mats, and I'm putting something different. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you all the things that I got. Okay, I'm pretty excited about these. So here is the table runner that I got that I'm going to be putting up. Look at how beautiful this is. Wow, look at the design. It is so beautiful. And I got that from at home. And I also got this. Look at how beautiful it is. This is a diffuser which I'm going to put on display somewhere as I decorate. I don't know, but I love the little golden leaf. Look at how amazing it just looks. Very beautiful. And I also, this time I shopped at two places, at home and Home Goods. I actually saw these ones at home and I bought them. This is a table runner, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one since I really like this one better. Then I'm going to of course use the cute pumpkin table mats. Let me show you all. Look at how beautiful these mats are. They are just so cute. I also got these. I'm not yet sure where I'm going to place this, but they're so beautiful. It's fall, so we also need some little kitchen napkins. These are the ones that I saw that I liked. So beautiful. Hello fall. So beautiful. I love it. Now for the flowers, I'm thinking about putting some flowers in the middle, and these flowers are kind of fall flowers and they're kind of big. I got this beautiful vase to use as a display in the middle of the table with the fall flowers. I'm not sure how it's gonna turn out, but we're gonna try it and see how it looks. But yeah, it's such a beautiful vase. Just getting to the detail. I love the color of it. I love the glass. It is just so beautiful. It's amazing. I love it. All right, y'all. So let's get to decorating my dining table for fall. Let's go. So I just upgraded my office chair from this is the old chair, and this is the new one. I'm in love with this new one. It is so fluffy. It even has the backrest pillow, so beautiful, and I got it on Amazon. And it also has I don't know how to pull this out yet. Yeah, it has a leg rest. I guess I don't know how to do it. Yeah, like this. So lovely. It's so beautiful and so comfy, so comfortable. I can't wait to chill in this. So bye old chair, and welcome new chair. Hello gorgeous. So as I make this delicious fried rice, I wanted to just share with you all something I have been experiencing, let me say internally, or something I've been dealing with. I don't like to say dealing with because it may seem like it's something very complex, but it's not. But anyways, what I'm dealing with is the anxiety of traveling in a body that has changed. Or I can just say, like, nobody tells you the weird side of traveling after body transformation. As you all know, I lost 120 pounds or 130 pounds, and throughout losing weight, a lot of things have changed because I lost more than half my size. So when I get on airplanes, it kind of feels way bigger, than before when I would squeeze through seats just to get through. And also the anxiety of picking a seat, and usually I pick the aisle seat, just so I can have a little room to stretch my legs when nobody's coming through. But when I pick that, I also have that anxiety that whoever is coming in wouldn't be someone that is also bigger like me, and they wouldn't have to squeeze by me to get in. I was dealing with in the past. But up until today, when I'm still picking seats, sometimes mentally I'm still thinking about things like that. I would tense up before sitting down, waiting for the seat belt, like trying to feel like maybe the seat belt will still be too tight, little things like that. I never thought I could wear like a swimsuit and walk around on the beach without wearing a coverall or something, but now I can. So things like that, dealing with a new body, it feels like traveling with a new identity. It's like I'm on a new trip every time, and it's just getting, it requires a lot of adjusting mentally, anxiety as well for things like I used to have anxiety about before. Sometimes I get to realize that I haven't shaken off that anxiety. So I just wanted to share that today as I make this beautiful jollof rice. Weight loss isn't all that everyone glamorizes it to be. Yes, it's good to lose weight and look good, but sometimes the internal battles are still there and no one sees that part, and it takes a lot of work to overcome that. So I just wanted to share that with you all. I hope you all are enjoying watching this lovely fried rice. It has turned out awesome. I love the way it looks. The color is amazing. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We always like new happy gorgeous people joining our channel. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you think about this vlog. Remember, stay happy, stay gorgeous. Love you. Bye.